Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this very video I want to be revealing to you how much YouTube have paid me in 2024. Right, firstly, happy new year and welcome to 2025. Now this year is going to be a year of establishment for us. Now with that said, let's jump right into the video. Right now, I got monetized on YouTube middle of last year. Right, I'm not doing this video to show you off the money I've made from YouTube and all of that. No, I'm just showing you the transparency of YouTube and what you can also do as a content creator, as a YouTuber right there, right? And also just to start the year 2025, right? Now, without further ado, I will take you to my laptop screen, showing you everything and all the process, right? So let's jump right into the video. So guys, right here, right now, this is my YouTube analytics and this is my dashboard right now. Now, as you can see, for the past 28 days, I've gotten over 9.2k views, right? And over 309 watch hours, right? And over 105 subscribers, right? Now, YouTube is one of my source of income, though I've not been active in YouTube for the past 2 months, right? That's November, December. I've not been so active. I've not been so active publishing videos on YouTube, but still yet I'm still wrapping views and I'm still wrapping watch hours. Now, for the last 28 days, I've been over 9,200 views with over 309 watch hours, right? And I've not been active since the past 28 days, but I'm still wrapping views, right? Now, this is one of the benefits about YouTube, right? Even if you don't post, right, your past videos will be wrapping your views. That's just one of the benefits about YouTube right now. I'm going to be showing you step by step how this money was made and how much I've made so far in 2024. For the past few months, I've been monetized on YouTube, right? Right now, this is my views and this is my watch hours and this is just my subscribers count right now, right? Now, I'm going to take you to the revenue, straight to the revenue. I'm going to walk you through on my highest day I've made more money and the lowest money I've made on YouTube in a day. So we come back to revenue right now. As you can see, I'm going to just choose this is the last 28 days. I'm going to go over to the last 365 days, right, which is last year, right? The last 365 days right here. It's going to load up right now. Now, as you can see right now, these are all the days I've made money, right? Now, I'm going to walk you through the lowest day. Now, this is the trend right now, right? Now, this is January. January, I was not monetized. You can see January, that was last year, January 2024. As you can see, $0 right there. If you look it down, just take it down. This is just a straight line going down, going down, going down to this very point right here, right? If we get it right now, this is May, right? May, I'm seeing $0. I get monetized on May, right? That was on May. Ending of May, like May 26, May 27. That was when I was monetized on YouTube, right? So I started earning June 1st. That was the day I started earning June 1st, right? Then my first earning was around 0.97 cents, as you can see right here, 0.79 cents. That was the first dollar I made on YouTube was 0.79 cents. When I saw that, I was so surprised. I was like, so all my effort has started paying off, right? Now, you know, when you started YouTube for a very long time, for like 2 years and let's say 1 year, because I started this channel 2 years ago, right? We are almost 2 years right now in this very channel, right? I've been bossing, right? Because all content creators, all YouTubers, this is their joy. Their main goal is to make money on YouTube. Their main goal is to get monetized on YouTube, right? Now, that first earning you make, that first dollar you make, even if it is 0 cent, 0.1 cent, the kind of joy you derive when getting that money is more than you earning a jackpot, right? So when I earned this very money right here, when I saw this very dollar, this $0.79 was very overwhelmed. I was very joyful because that was the first time I'm seeing money on my YouTube dashboard for a very long time, right? Now, that was the first money I made from YouTube, right? From there, I was making money. And the highest money I've made from YouTube in a day was on this very day right here. I will not forget it. November 18th, 2024 it was on Monday, right? It was on Monday. I made over $4, right, on YouTube that day. This is $4.08, right? I made over $4 that day. That day was the highest money. This is the highest money I've made in a day on YouTube. $4, right? And the lowest money I've made in a day on YouTube is around 0.40 cents, right? And that was made on Sunday, October 20, 2024. That was like the lowest I've made, 0.40 cents, right? Now, if you look at this trend right here, you will see that between June, it was stable, right? In September, it was high, right? I published 2 videos in June, and in In July, I didn't publish any video. I don't think so. Now there are so many factors that determines your earning, right? There are so many factors that determine your earning, right? This starts from the country you live in, right? If you live in a first world country like US, you are going to be making much more money than what we make right here. Like me, I'm from Nigeria. Nigeria is like a third world country, right? The kind of revenue we make on YouTube right here is very, very, very low compared to those who are living in US, right? And the second factor that determines your earnings is the niche you are, right? The niche you are. Now, the niche you are and the country and the territory you live in, these are the two major factors that determines your earning when it comes to earning on YouTube, right? Now, when it comes to the niche you are, and there are some niche that advertisers don't pay much, right? Now, the highest main niche right now on YouTube is the finance niche, right? The finance niche, the RPM for 1K views is around $10, is around $4 to $10. That's the average, right? We're living in a third world country like the way, like me, the RPM for 1K views is around, let's say $1 to let's say $7, right? $7, that's the average. Like I'm rating it in the scale of average, right? If you're living in like in a first world country like US and UK, like that, now 1K views, the RPM you'll be seeing on your 1K views will be around $10 and above, around $10 and above, right? You will see some of them making around $10, $20 in 1K views, right? RPM, that's massive. But compared to where we live, advertisers don't pay much in our countries because of the rate of dollar and so many other factors, right? Compared to US, right? Now, before I review the estimated revenue I've made from when I was monetized, you have to understand this part even when you go into monetization, right? Now, I want to share with you right now the total revenue I've made, the estimated revenue for the past few months I've been on YouTube, few months I've been monetized on YouTube, right? I will review that to you right now. As you can see right now, this is the total estimated revenue I've made from YouTube last year. This is when I was monetized. This is over $235, 0.3 cents, right? This is approximately $235 right now on YouTube, right? This is the money I've made from YouTube since when I was monetizing last year, right? Now this is kind of small to big YouTubers out there who are making tons of dollars every single month from YouTube. But for a small YouTuber like me who just starting up, who just got monetized, right? This is big and this is huge compared to the country I am right now, compared to the dollar exchange rate right now in my country, right? So this is the total money I've made from YouTube since when I was monetized, and I hope this inspire you. I hope this give you a boost up, right? If you are there, you want to start up a YouTube channel, you want to start creating videos, you have this mindset in you that, okay, I want to be a content creator. I want to start making videos on YouTube, right? Now, this can be a booster pack for you to motivate you on how you can start YouTube right now, right? Guys, I know this video was valuable to you, right? Please, I want you to just go down there before we continue this video and end this video. Do me a favor right now, go down there right now. I want to make sure you smash that subscribe button. Go down there right now, like this video and subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be dropping back-to-back videos this very year on this channel. And also drop a comment in the comment section if you find value in this video, if you have any feedback, you have anything to say, you have anything to share to others, or you want me to answer some of your questions. The comment section is open. I'm there to reply you right now. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I know this video was valuable to you right now. As of the time of recording this video, this is the total amount I've made from YouTube, and I believe this inspire you and this give you a boost up. If you are there, you want to start up YouTube, right? You want to start content creation, pick up your camera and start recording, and you can start learning from there. There are tons of resources on YouTube right now that can help you start your YouTube journey, right? I have a video that teaches you how you can create a well and optimized YouTube channel, and how you can even upload your first video, right? If you check my playlist or the description of this video, I'll be dropping the videos right there that teaches you how you can create your first YouTube videos and how you can create a well optimized YouTube channel, right? That video can be a starter pack for you, and that video can give you a heads up, right? I believe this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to smash the like button, like this video, comment, engage with this video. That's the only way you can say thank you to me. Engage with this video, like, comment, subscribe, and also share this video to your friends that will love to watch this video. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want to start and create a well optimized YouTube channel, I have a video right here that teaches you how you can create a well optimized YouTube channel for any niche at all, right? If you want to start a YouTube channel, you have you don't have the motivation, you don't have the insight, I have a video right here that teaches you how you can build and grow fast on YouTube, right? I'm going to be seeing you right in these two videos. Bye for now.